The Nokia X400 5G is an upcoming smartphone that has garnered significant attention due to its anticipated blend of advanced technology and user-centric features. Scheduled for release in mid-2025, this device is poised to make a notable impact in the smartphone market. At the heart of the Nokia X400 5G lies the Qualcomm Snapdragon 778 processor, an octa-core chipset designed to deliver efficient performance and seamless multitasking capabilities. This processor is complemented by the Adreno 642 GPU, ensuring smooth handling of graphic-intensive applications and games. The device is expected to be available in multiple configurations, offering 8 GB of RAM paired with either 128 GB or 256 GB of internal storage. For users requiring additional space, the Nokia X400 5G supports expandable storage via a micro SD card slot, accommodating cards up to 1 TB. Display-wise, the Nokia X400 5G features a 6.67-inch AMOLED screen with a resolution of 1080 by 2412 pixels, translating to a pixel density of approximately 401 pixels per inch. This display is expected to support a 144 Hz refresh rate, offering users a fluid and responsive visual experience. Photography enthusiasts will appreciate the device's camera setup. The rear houses a triple camera system, comprising a 48 megapixels wide-angle lens, a 2 megapixels macro lens, and a 2 megapixels depth sensor. This combination allows for versatile photography options, from detailed close-ups to portrait shots with bokeh effects. On the front, a 16 megapixels wide-angle lens caters to selfie needs, ensuring clear and vibrant self-portraits. Powering the Nokia X400 5G is a robust 5000 mAh non-removable LiPo battery, designed to provide extended usage on a single charge. While specific details about fast charging capabilities are not confirmed, the substantial battery capacity suggests a focus on longevity. In terms of design, the device measures 171.4 by 79.7 x 9.1 mm and weighs approximately 217 grams, offering a substantial yet manageable form factor. The Nokia X400 5G is expected to be available in a midnight blue color variant, exuding a sleek and modern aesthetic. Connectivity options include support for 5G networks, ensuring swift data speeds and reliable connections. Additional features encompass Wi-Fi 802 2.11a/b per gram N AC 6, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS with multiple satellite support, and a USB Type-C 2.0 port with OTG functionality. Audio enthusiasts will be pleased with the inclusion of a 3.5 mm headphone jack and loudspeaker capabilities. Security features are comprehensive, featuring a side-mounted fingerprint sensor, face unlock capabilities, and standard sensors such as an accelerometer, gyro, proximity sensor, and compass. The Nokia X400 5G is expected to run on Android 13 out of the box, offering users the latest features and security updates from the Android ecosystem. Pricing for the Nokia X400 5G is anticipated to start at approximately $318, positioning it as a competitive option in the mid-range smartphone segment. In Pakistan, the expected price is around 77,400 Pakistani rupees, making it an attractive choice for consumers seeking a balance between performance and affordability. In summary, the Nokia X400 5G combines a robust processor, ample memory and storage options, a high refresh rate display, versatile camera capabilities, and a substantial battery into a thoughtfully designed package. Its support for 5G connectivity and adherence to modern smartphone standards make it a compelling choice for users looking to upgrade their mobile experience in 2025.